Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to send file in Google Drive using your phone. Okay, so you can send any files from Google Drive using your phone by link or by on email. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone. So let's start with the video. First, open your Google Drive application. So okay, so here you can see the four tab, which is home, start it, and share it, and file. So as you know, home is the home tab where you can see the or your recent open it file or recent operated file you can see here. In star it, when you star any files, it will be show here. How you can star, I will show you. Just click on three dot and you can make the star. Okay, so okay, from here you can add as a star it, so it will be add as a star it. So it will like you can pin any files, so it will be operate from here. In shared folder you will see all files and folder which is shared by others. Okay, so in file you will see all your files and folder. So in files you will see your home page, home, like you will see the all file and folder, original files and folder. You can search file and folder from here. In search bar you can filter the particular file type. So if you want to see only PDF, sorry, only photos and image, I have to click on it, so you can see all photos and image I can see here. Okay, so how you can share it? So you can share, just click on three dot. So there is a two option you can share. You can create the link and you can share the links. Okay, before that you have to manage the links, so I will show you. And after the second option you can send the copy. So if you want to send the copy, you can send the copy. It will be create the one copy and it will be sent to the uh, particular uh, uh, platforms. If you want to share on WhatsApp, you can send on Messenger, you can send on email. So if I click on send, so your all installed app and other platform will be open. So I will just, you can select the Messenger, Instagram, Gmail, Facebook. Okay, so if I select the Instagram, so my Instagram chat will be open, my Instagram chat. Now here you can see my all saved, my all connection on Instagram. Now you can click on send. If you want to send this person, I just need to click on send, then it will be sent to the this person. Same as you have to follow to send on Messenger or WhatsApp. Okay, so second option, you can create link. You need to copy link and share. Before that, go to the manage on people links, and here you can change the restricted to the, from restricted mode to the anyone this with link. Just click on it and click on this anyone with the link. And now make the permission means there's a three type of permission: viewers, commenter, and editor. Okay, editors means people can edit your file, commenters means they can make the comments on your file, and viewers means only they can view, they unable to add any make changes, and they can't edit the file. So select the permission, I keep the only viewers. Now click on this chain icon, this is a copy link. Now you can share it on WhatsApp or Messenger, okay, or any other platform like Gmail. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.